Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to get a spare tire off a Toyota Sequoia. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely on a flat, stable surface, away from any moving traffic. Always engage the parking brake and place wheel chocks behind the wheels opposite the tire you're working on. Next, gather your essential tools: the jack, lug wrench, and the extension rods, which are usually stored under the rear seat or in the cargo area. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother and safer. Now let's find the spare tire lowering mechanism. Look at the rear bumper area of your Sequoia. You'll find a small access hole, often covered by a cap. Remove this cap. Inside, you'll insert the first extension rod, followed by the second, connecting them securely. These rods, when joined, create a long tool that reaches the winch mechanism, allowing you to safely lower the spare tire from underneath your vehicle. With the extension rods assembled and inserted, it's time to lower the tire. Attach the lug wrench to the exposed end of the connected rods. This creates a crank. Begin turning the lug wrench counterclockwise. As you turn, the spare tire will slowly descend from its undercarriage position. Keep turning until the tire is completely on the ground and the cable is slack, allowing you to easily pull it out from under the vehicle. Once the spare tire is on the ground, slide it out from under your Sequoia. You'll notice a retaining plate or bracket in the center of the tire. Carefully remove this from the tire's hub. This plate is crucial for securing the spare. If you're replacing a flat, place the flat tire in the spare tire's original undercarriage spot. Then, use the same tools to crank it back up and secure it tightly against the vehicle's underbody.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.